Welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put contacts on the home screen in your Android phone. Now, if you want to add contacts app on the home screen, just go to app screen and then find contacts. Then touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And that's it. You can see your contacts app has been added successfully on the home screen. Now I'll show you how to put a single contacts on the home screen. So at first touch and hold on the home screen. And at the bottom you can see widgets option, then just tap on widgets and then look for contacts option. Here it is, then just tap here. Now here you can see four kinds of contact widgets: contact, direct dial, direct message and direct dial, and you can choose any option as you want. If you want to add any single contact on the home screen, then you have to select direct dial. Just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And then choose the contact that you want to add on the home screen. If I select it and it's done, you can see contacts has been added successfully. If you want to dial this contact, just tap here and it's done. Now if you want to add multiple contacts on the home screen, just go to same settings again, then tap on contacts. Then you have to add this widget on the home screen. Just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. Then you can choose 4 contacts. Then choose the 4 contacts that you want to add on the home screen. Then tap on done and it's done. And that way you can add multiple contacts on the home screen. And that is how you can put contacts on the home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.